Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is merge to sorted list. Okay, so actually this problem we will solve using recursive way. Okay, so let's say you have and we'll try run it. Okay, so let's say you have one linked list 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are already sorted. Okay, and then 5, 6, 7, and now you need to merge this list such that it should be sorted only, right? So how you can do that? See, so this is the recursive method. Okay, recursive function is here, and let's dry run it. Okay, so see, your L1 is pointing to this one, and your L2 is pointing to this 5, 6, 7, this list. Okay, now check, L1 is like equal to null, no. L2 is equal to null, no. Okay, so what you will do, first your merge function will run. Okay, run for what? L1 and L2. L1 is 1, L2 is 5. Okay, means head of the linked list pointer. So now if this one will run, we'll check L1 L2 is null. No, it is not. Okay, so your L1 value is less than equal to L2 value. Yes, 1 is less than equal to 5. So what you will do, L1 ka next, okay, is equal to merge function. Again it will call for L1 next and L2. So L1 next is 2 and then L2 is 5. So basically we have fixed one variable, one element, and now you need to run this recursive call for the remaining one. So that is the logic here. Okay, now this, let's see what will happen in this merge 2, 5. Okay, you will check 2 is equal to null, no. 5 is equal to null, no. Okay, so this one will equal to L1 ka next is equal to, it will run for merge. Okay, for what? 3, 5, right? Again merge 3, 5. Let's check for merge 3, 5. Okay, so L1 next is equal to, it will run for merge, what is the 3 is next? Null, right? So null comma 5. But you know, when L1 is equal to null, it will return L2. Okay, so what is L2 here? L2 is this complete L2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so L1 next is equal to 5, 6, 7, right? So what is L1 here? 3. So it means that it's the linked list is something like this: 3, it will append, and 3 is next is 5, 6, 7. This one will be your answer. Okay, and then it will return L1. So this 3, 5, 6, 7 will come here. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 7 will come here. What was L1 here? 2. So 2 you will append it after 2. So this one will be 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now here what was the L1? 1. So what it will return? Final, it will return 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this one will be your answer, and this is how you merge to sorted list. So that's it. Thank you.